Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, and today we'll be giving you a tour of the studio where we make the videos here at Lovelina Productions. Okay, so first, this is the lobby, and we have some snacks. Hi, would you like to buy a gingerbread cookie, fresh baked this morning? Sounds delicious, but I'm actually doing a tour right now, so I'll pass. And there's lots and lots of seating, like these blue seats, this pink one, more blue ones, and a purple couch. And people come here, just to come in the mornings, or like if their scene is off right now, like if they're part of a show but their scene isn't in action right now, they can just chill here until it's time for them to go. And then right here is the purple couch, and there's marble floors here. So yeah. Okay, next room. And here is the hair and makeup room. There's bags, like a lot of bags. And some more accessories. Right back there we have the stylists getting our actors ready to be on the set. And over here are most of the callers. And then right there, that's one of our main places where actresses get their makeup done. And then there's a few more colors. And right there, you can see the audition room. Let's go in. And this also is marble floors, and this is where people can audition for roles in plays, or movies, or the shows that we have here. I forgot my lines. I'm supposed to be acting for the audition. Well, if you forgot your lines, I don't think that you can audition. Hey, Victoria, what are you doing here? Oops, definitely not supposed to be here while others are auditioning. Sorry, I'll leave. This is our editing room, and they really like it quiet here so they can do their work and edit. Shh. They work on a lot of the videos here, and they edit them. See, and this floor is brown and a little bit boring, but yeah. Shh. Okay, I'll leave. Okay, students, so anyone know the answer? Oh, miss, I think I do. It is 58. Correct, Skylar. And this is one of the sets. Hey, I know for one of our shows that we're working on right now. And they are taking right now, the director is shooting with the camera, and cut, Victoria, please leave, we're shooting right now. Oops. Okay, this is where we record, and on this side it is soundproof, with this glass thing, whatever it's made out of, makes it soundproof, so when you're singing you can't hear a thing. Victoria, can you leave? We're trying to do this one of our singing parts right now. Oh, sorry. Yes, do you mind leaving? Yeah. Oh, and don't mind my brother because his fur. Don't mind it. He chose to get it like that, and he really likes it. So yeah, don't break it. That looks terrible. Okay, so I can definitely hear you, and you tell me. Okay, well. Let's go back. We're back where we started in the lobby, and yeah, so that was the tour of this whole studio. This is Lovelina Productions, and yeah, that's the whole place for you, and I'm very well known here, because pretty much everyone knows my name. And yeah, Victoria, are you sure you want the gingerbread cookie? There's only one left. Yes, please. Okay, here you go. Thanks. These are amazing. Here's the money for it, and there. So, yum. Okay, well, thanks for watching.